Hi guys, it's Ame here, and today we are unboxing two Hot Wheels cars. First up, let's unbox this Hot Wheels Porsche 904 Carrera GTS with yellow and white and black from SW Race Day 310 with 100 out of 250. This speed demons prove any day it's a great day to hit the track. There's a Porsche trademark. Let's unbox this car. Front, we have headlights, passenger side, rear, driver side, and roof with number 7 and 63. And the code says D47, that's the code. Let's unbox this Hot Wheels Golden Mercury Automobile T33 with gray from factory fresh for 5 and new for 2025 with 90 out of 250. Born 2024, England. Designer Gordon Murray Automobile. The T33 combines timeless beauty with lightweight engineering to create one of the world's most beautiful and accomplished two-seat supercars. Exerting effortless style, it is deeply influenced by the clean design and generous proportions of a iconic 1960s sports car. Highly detailed cutting-edge design just gain the driver's seat and prepare to turn heads. There's a golden Mary trademark. Let's unbox this car. Front, we have headlights, passenger side, rear, driver side, and roof. And the code says T48, that's the code. Okay? Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.